What's going on, YouTube? Coming at you with my 2021 finale board. Ooh la la. See what we got going on here. It starts right. Yeah. It goes into a blonde joke. And then it goes to Capella by Brothers. Blonde joke, also Brothers. Over here we have Bling Bling, Brothers. Evil Enemy by Brothers. And this is Mythical by Firehawk. So it starts off there. Go to these three. Come back here. Highfalutin. From Highfalutin we go over here. Another blonde joke. Next to that we have Cannabis by Brothers. And behind that, blonde joke. Next to that is Vega. Brothers, Stars, Vega. Over here we go to Mythical, Firehawk again. This is AF1. Probably means Air Force One. Yep, Air Force One. Mythical again. And then we come over here. Highfalutin. And this is where stuff starts to speed up. As you can see, the fuse goes from pink to yellow. So this is 10 seconds per feet. This is 3 seconds per feet. So we speed it up to a Thunderstruck by Ninja. Great Expectations by Winda, 9 shots. We got 2 more of each. 1 more of each. Highfalutin. And right there you see it goes from yellow, the yellow fuse to the white fuse. So that's 3 seconds to like 0.1 second. We have Hit the Road Jack, Thunderstruck, Hit the Road Jack, Thunderstroke, and another Hit the Road Jack. So pretty much this section back here will all be going off at the same time. And that is it. It is that time once again. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have a safe and happy 4th of July. And don't do anything stupid like detonate a truck full of fireworks in a residential area. That would just be plain retarded. And guys, take care. Peace.